Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best wood lathe that are available on the market for their true quality.
I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video.
Starting at number 5, we have the Delta Industrial Variable Speed Midi Wood Lathe. Anyone looking for a high-powered piece of equipment that happens to shape wood into a beautiful work of art is in luck. With the use of its powerful motor and variable speed control, the Delta Industrial Variable Speed Midi Lathe is a lean mean wood lathe tool. Behind its high-level efficiency are a 1 horsepower max, a 1,725 revolution per minute motor, and a 12-1/2 inch swing capacity that make it the largest in its class. Additionally, it is fitted with a forward and reverse feature that allows easy handling and makes for a top-notch finish. It is also fitted with a patented belt tensioning system which makes it easy for quick speed changes. Moving on at number 4, we have the Shop Fox Horsepower Benchtop Wood Lathe. Coming from a world-renowned brand certainly does count for something. So, it is no surprise that this device is fitted with sturdy, high-quality parts that do not only produce quality but also ensure user safety. The Shop Fox Horsepower Benchtop Lathe is your go-to device for small projects. To make this an all-around efficient process, it is made of sturdy cast iron material that makes it suitable to be mounted on a portable workbench. All in all, it runs on 1/3 of a horsepower and is fitted with a highly functional motor. The speed motor itself falls between the range of 700 and 3,200 RPM. In addition to being fitted with a total of 2 7-inch tool rests, it also has a safety paddle switch, a spur center, a faceplate as well as a spindle. To crown it all up, it is equipped with a distance of 12 inches between centers. At number 3, we have the Jet Variable Speed Wood Lathe. There is no doubt whatsoever that this is a highly efficient piece of equipment with an edge of its own. The manufacturers of this product pride themselves in the fact that it is completely unlike anything that anyone has put out there before. The Jet 21-inch variable speed wood lathe is packed with a wide range of features that make it one of the best out there. Its superior design, among other things, contribute to the superior experience it offers up. All of this is centered on the concept of control, which is what every good woodworker needs to get that turning done right. Its variable speed ranges from 60-3,600 RPM, a fact that can only be topped by its unrivaled speed control. In addition to all this, it is fitted with a spring-loaded spindle lock and easy-to-reach controls and DRO. Our guide to the best random orbital sanders features more handy tools like this. At number 2, we have the Nova 46300 Comet 2 Variable Speed Mini Lathe. The name of this product alone is a clear indicator of its speed and accompanying accuracy. It may be small, but you best believe that the Nova 46300 Comet 2 Variable Speed Mini Lathe packs a mean punch when it counts the most. So, despite its size, it can get the job done even better than some bigger models out there. The versatility it offers up is second to none. Whether you want to employ a low speed or an ultra-high speed, this wood lathe is more than up to the task. To make all this possible, it is fitted with a 12-inch swing capacity over bed as well as an additional optional bed extension accessory. So what has really changed in this new and improved product? It has a stronger composite guard as well as a new on-off switch which makes the power-up process a whole lot smoother and safer. And finally at number 1, we have the PSI Woodworking Variable Speed Midi Lathe. Advanced technology that is somehow incredibly easy to use poses quite the paradox. Nevertheless, this product is a smooth blend of these two attributes and they work seamlessly together to give you the perfection that is the PSI Woodworking Variable Speed Midi Lathe. Being the easiest lathe to use in its class is no easy feat, but this is not all that this device has going for it. First, it is powered by a 1 horsepower high-performance induction motor as well as an SBC microprocessor. This makes it altogether an accurate and reliable lathe. The addition of a handy digital readout screen allows turners to easily check and gauge their speed levels.
Thanks you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.